raised me when I fell. Your mercy broke my fear and spell. You set my feet on ground secure and made my trembling heart endure. When once your face was hid from me, my soul was crushed in agony. But when I cried, you heard my voice and lifted me with saving joys. You are the strength on which I stand, my mountain formed by your own hand. Though storms arise and shadows near, your steadfast love dispels my fear. So I will praise you all my days. My life shall sing your endless ways. For you restored my soul again, my God, my help.